I'm here with the OmniShave. I'm gonna basically just put a little shave gel on. See the hair, it's about 3 days growth. I'm 43, balding in spots, but still, as an ex-Marine, I want to make sure that this is nice and tight shaved. Let's see how we go here. This is the omnidirection OmniShave. Nice, straight stroke, forward, back. Rocks back and forth. You feel it. Not too many people have that shaved down. It takes a little bit. You gotta make sure a different razor is always gonna take getting used to. In the shower, this would be even easier. Look at that. Almost done. Good action on this shaver.
Stop.
Mm-hmm.